What up, people? Today we are removing a nice and tiny little 2-ton air handler. We got the disconnect already pulled there. We got to replace the line set because it is smaller stuff. Actually, that looks like 7/8 in the video. That's pretty crazy, but it is not. It is like 5/16 or whatever the hell it is. 5/16, and then you got whatever the hell it is. I'm like having a stroke today. Quarter inch. But yeah, no, this looks pretty easy. Got the stairs right there. We had to fix it because it had a crack in it. That the sensing bulb right there for the TXV wasn't even attached. But yeah, we got to run the line set, which goes all the way back there. So, but other than that, let's get started ripping this bitch out. Okay, so we got that out nice and easy. Just gotta wait for the coil to be fully drained before I cut that guy. We got that out, which if you look at that guy, it is just, you know, caked in mold, all fucking gross. Inside the unit here, that is, it used to look like that, normal, black, but it is just fucking peppered with mold. Even the pan, which is somewhere under all this stuff, is also caked with mold. But yeah, you can even see, like, look how chunky that is. That's not good. That is not good at all. So that'll be all taken care of once we get this out, get the new one in, and pretty much attach it. This should not take long at all. This is pretty straightforward, especially when you got something like that just pops right off. So let's keep going. Okay, so I just got all this done. I got my wire ran over there. I just started fitting the line set here up for the other guys. It goes up, and we have it running on the truss all the way down, and it goes all the way into the darkness. So it's like a 75-foot freaking line set. So other than that, and the thermostat, this job's pretty much done. They just got to finish the outdoor. I got to pretty much just help them finish fitting this guy up, and that's pretty much the gist of it. Pretty straightforward. So hopefully, yeah, like I said, it's only like, I think it just turned 11, so not too bad for a full install. Pretty easy. Noise. Listen to that bacon sizzle.
Sheesh.
Oh yeah, like a steam room.
Careful, you might crack the copper.
Oh! Yeah, a little inside joke. We had this dude that thought he knew what he was doing. This guy right here, Harry Styles, fucking put a rag on the copper to cool it down, and the guy goes, "You're gonna crack the copper." I have never fucking seen that ever.
Never have.
And old people that have been in this business for fucking like 60 years told me to do this shit. So, yeah, he's retarded. He's got his own company now. Give him a call. He's really good. Well, I was in a hurry again and completely forgot to do the final video. But everything worked out. Unit ran great. We had to put like a pound of refrigerant because the line set was 75, 80 feet long. But other than that, everything ran. Unit drained properly. Safeties worked. Thermostat worked. Everything worked great. So I got to get up on remember to take the final video when I'm running around cleaning up and doing paperwork. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.